I just want to explain an algorithm we're in right now. I got the chart clear. Make it easier because I know it is a lot. Don't get me wrong. It's difficult, man, but it's really easy. And the algorithms they teach you. The algorithms teach you a great lesson of patience. So I should have checked this out. That's the controlled buying we're in. Regardless of what's happening in this controlled buying, I don't know how long it's going to build liquidity. I don't. I can't say that I know. The market's going to build liquidity and go where it needs to go. Here is the equilibrium. Before we do that, before I even go into measurement to show you what you can potentially make from the trade and more, there's one level. This is a great level. This is a great level. Here's a better zone of mutual interest. We'll do the top of this equilibrium. We also have the bottom here, but this is a little bit better because you don't know where it's going to bounce from, man. You don't know where it's going to bounce from. You don't know how far it's going to go, but we'll mark these equilibriums. Another one here. There's so many here, and this is a great zone. This 677 prime liquidity, very very beautiful. And it's about the same algorithm. I can go ahead and do this. Check it out. I can take this algorithm from over here and bam, just like that. Just like that. It's nearly the same algorithm. Now, when you want to get precise, you can make it as precise as need be. But when you're just identifying the algorithm, it's the same algorithm. Now, did I get all the equilibriums? No. The bottom of the channel, this is better. We tested that zone 3 times. So 677.25, 26 is better. But as low as 676.73, as low as that. Don't hope for any lower, less you can see the move happening through the algorithms, through the strength of the candles. Now we're forming this right here. Check this out. Regardless of what happens in this algorithm, if it wants to fail within this next few minutes, say 105, say 105 for me, I have a 0.75 move. Now there is another algorithm right here that you can see the rejection from, and we're going to plot that. So right here at the highs, 56 and 70. So 70 to 56, 14 points, 14 cents, I should say. Check that out. Check this out. This is that blue algorithm you may have peeped earlier. Look at that. If I would have gotten in right here, if I would have decided, yeah, I want to get in at the rejection right here, that means I have a 1.35 move. And that's beautiful too. Now, like I said, you don't know how long this channel is going to build liquidity. I've already done it for how long? I've already been building liquidity in this channel for how long? For 25 minutes already. So you could avoid 25 minutes of pain. You could if you just identify the algorithms, and you could say, okay, during the 20th minute, you had a good entry. From this 20th minute down right here, how many points is that? 0.70, nearly $1, and that's good. You should take profits. It didn't break the algorithm. You do see it bouncing off of the algorithm, just beautifully. Not exactly there, but what, 5 cents away, man? 3 cents away, a cent away. Now, until it breaks this red, I don't want to take another put. Until it breaks this red, I don't want to take another put. Here is the head and shoulder pattern forming. But until it breaks this trade, I don't want to take a put yet. There's no need. There's no need. I can be patient, and we may just get lower than 679.59. We may just get lower than that point right here. What is that point exactly? Did I get it right? Yeah, 59. 679.59. So until we even retest that level and we break this algorithm, right? So on the break of this algorithm, I could enter in on a contract. And then I know I'm going to get at least a 50-cent move. If not, if not even a little bit more. And it's like right now, let's see here, 70 cents. That's almost $2 to the nearest equilibrium. And that would be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you want to make it a dual algorithm, we're going to end the video here. If you want to make it a dual algorithm, just like that. Now you have the dual algorithm. You can clean it up a little bit. Say this is a better spot for you. Whatever. It's very accurate. You see a small little retest here, so you know it possibly could if it wanted to. If it didn't want to go lower. If it didn't want to go lower than this midway point and it bounced from here, you would see that through the algorithm. Maybe see a retest here. Maybe see a retest here where you see a left shoulder, see a small little head, right shoulder, and you just break down like that. Now, and exactly why we just wait for the algorithms, because look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. Slipped out the algorithm a little bit. Look at the bounce. That's 25 cents that you just lost if you were impatient. 25 cents I would have lost if I was impatient, and I would have entered in. So just learn. Once you learn to use the algorithms, they can really help you. Use all the tools necessary. Use your Sniper Pro. Use the moving averages. Right here, moving averages. Use those. Use your Bollinger Bands. Use whatever you need. VWAP. Whatever you need to do. Whatever helps you trade with the most accuracy. For me, this is what works. This is what works for me. And alhamdulillah, you know. I gotta end the video here. This is long. I'll post this one on YouTube as a quick little video, just explaining some algorithms. But yeah, I may very well enter in on this trade once we break the algorithm here, and you can go back and look at the results for yourself, and you can see how the trade worked out for me, and well, the potential of how it worked out. But again, man, this is just from the break of what it's going to be. Let's say by 9:25. It's the last moment before it's like an ultimate pinch, and probably won't be at that zone exactly, but we could be. That's $1 from here if I just wait even longer. While it's still in this red buying channel, this controlled buying. But from here, before another algorithm exists, 1.5 move. We break down below that. I have a 2-point move now. Even further, we take these zones, 3-point move, man. As low as we can go, 3.3. So it's like you also got to assess your risk. What are we willing to risk? What are we willing to risk? Equilibrium here, 681.03. The closer I enter into this candle, or even here, this equilibrium, or even the top, which at this point be a little worried because cups are closing. The trade may be going against you. It may be sustaining in this buying algorithm, just grinding up. And, you know, so you don't want to risk too much here unnecessarily, especially when it's building liquidity. So yeah, man, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you. Take care. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let's get better together. If you have any questions, please just drop a comment. And, you know, to end this, I really suggest that you go and find on YouTube. And he has free resources in his Patreon. SPY Day Trade. You'll see his videos. He has. You'll know the channel. You'll know the channel. But yeah, that's it's a great resource. That's my mentor. That's who I look to for guidance, to affirm what I'm doing here, to affirm what I'm learning. You know, if whenever I see him post a video, or whenever he makes a comment, you know, that helps me have guidance towards what I've been analyzing in the charts. It helps me have guidance. And, you know, again, man, I already have alerts set. So I'm very content with the day already. So we're just gonna call it here. I may take another trade. I may not. It's no big deal to me. I made my money. I'm just doing a little bit of overtime work now.